Hello guys, welcome to the another video of our online course. Today we are going to see new advanced manufacturing process, that is wire cut EDM process. Also we can say wire electric discharge machining. So this session I have divided into the two part. In today's part we are going to cover introduction of wire EDM, then process characteristics of our wire EDM, and main point, that is working principle of wire EDM. So let us begin with the first point, that is the introduction. Already we have discussed the working principle of electric discharge process. So this wire EDM also works on the same principle of EDM process. Everything is the same, but here in wire EDM process, instead of tool electrode, a wire is used as a electrode. Okay, so there is a traveling wire will be there, which is serves as a electrode. Okay, so the basic definition is that electric discharge machining wire cutting EDM is a thermal mass reducing process that uses a continuously moving wire to remove a material by means of rapid controlled repetitive spark discharge. Okay, so there is a moving wire will be there, so sparking occurs in between that wire and workpiece surface. So by using this process, any kind of complex surface, either 2D or 3D, can be machined. So any complex surface on 2D surface or 3D surface also can be machined. Mostly different kind of dies and molds are actually generated or fabricated or machined using by this EDM process, because of there is a very small diameter wire which passes through the workpiece. So in between this wire and workpiece there is an electrode gap, very small electrode gap, less than 25 micron is maintained. So any complicated surface can be generated by moving this wire. So this wire you can tilt in x direction, you can move this wire in y direction. Okay, you can move this wire, okay, also in left and right direction also. So any kind of complex or complicated surface can be machined by this wire EDM process. This is the advantage which is not possible in our normal die sinking EDM process. So this process characteristic of wire EDM process is it utilizes a traveling wire that advances within a arcing distance of workpiece. So this interload gap is maintained as 0.001 inch. Remove material by rapid control and repetitive spark action. Okay, so spark occurs in between this wire and the workpiece. So also this wire EDM process utilizes dielectric fluid to flush away the removed particle. Also it controls this dielectric fluid control the discharges also. So this dielectric fluid cools down the wire as well as the workpiece also. Okay, and the wire and workpiece must be electrical conductive material. This is a basic requirement of this process. Obviously this wire become uh, it works on the same principle of EDM. This wire and workpiece should be electrical conductive, so it can produce complex two-dimensional shapes also. So three-dimensional shapes can be generated by moving this wire into a on, or by moving this wire and workpiece on CNC XYZ table. Okay, so let us start the working principle. Okay, so in this schematic diagram I have shown the basic about the wire EDM process. So you can see here there is a work table will there, and on that work piece will be there. Okay, again there is a nozzle which is required for the direct supply. Then we have to pass the wire, for that we require the take up rail and another rail. Okay, and the larger image of that cutting area, here I have shown the separate where we can see the curve or slot, also that spark gap and wire diameter. So this is a schematic diagram of wire EDM process. So there is a workpiece, there is a two wheels are there. One is the traveling wheel and the another is the wire supply wheel. Okay, this one is the worker wire take up wheel, and the second also. So wire supply will also there, and the one is the wire take up rail. Okay, and also there is a wire guide system also there. Okay, and another part, that is a nozzle to flow the dielectric supply. So through this nozzle, actually the dielectric flows in between these wires and workpiece where you are doing the machining operation. That is important. So there is a CNC control table will be there. That is a work table. On that CNC control table, you can keep your workpiece. So here in this diagram, you can see exaggerated view of the machining zone I have shown. So there is a curve or slot which is generated. Curve means that this wire diameter, so whatever material you are removing, so this diameter, this width of that cut is more than your diameter of the wire. So this spark here I have shown in between the wire and workpiece. So this is the spark gap here I have shown, and this is the wire diameter. Okay, so here I have shown. You can see this means the width of cut is more than your diameter of the wire. So this is the schematic diagram of wire EDM setup. Here one more thing I want to say, that in normal die sinking EDM process, you do not need to make a hole into the workpiece surface. But in this wire cut EDM process, you have to make counter surface on the workpiece. So first you have to move the wire through the workpiece. So initially there will be a hole. One hole has to be made into that workpiece. A thorough hole has to be made so that this wire can pass through the workpiece, and when it passes through the workpiece, then you can start the cutting. Okay, this is another point. So initially one hole has to be made, which is not required in normal die sinking EDM process, but it is required in this wire EDM process. Okay, so here you can give the 4-axis motion also. Okay, so different kinds of shapes can be generated by using this EDM process by tilting this wire in forward backward direction or left and right direction. So the limitation of the or capability of this wire EDM setup can be represented by the maximum tilting angle. It can move the wire, it can bend the wire also. So this is the advantage of this wire EDM process. Okay, so again the power supply also we have to give here, and here pulsating DC power supply is used in wire and EDM process. So working principle of wire is the same as like our normal EDM process. Whatever the working principle is here, also it is same working principle as like our EDM. Okay, this spark generate in between this wire and the workpiece, but here the wire diameter is very less. So this point we have to be take into account, and the wire diameter is 0.15 millimeter to 0.3 millimeter. So that this is a very small diameter wire is used, and small diameter wire are chosen because you have to make any complicated shape, okay, which is very less, and so that why smaller diameter wire are chosen. But you choose very small diameter wire, then your current carrying capacity also will get reduced. So there is a optimization what should be the diameter of your wire, and so you have to choose your wire based on your application. So it is compared with the bend saw also. Okay, in case of a bend saw, this thickness of this saw actually determines what should be the curve or depth of the cut generated into the workpiece surface. Here also you can see here diameter of the wire actually generated, how much will be the curve or curve on the slot generated on the workpiece surface. So here spark between the work and wire and workpiece generate. So you know this is in EDM process. Because of this sparking, there is a erosion in workpiece as well as in the tool also. In both the electrode there is a erosion. So wire also means the after sparking there will be erosion in wire as well as in the workpiece surface, but the same wire actually it is not used, it is not reused because these wires are very cheap. Okay, but also it is not used because this after sparking where will happen, that is erosion occurs in the wire. Okay, and also this the diameter of the wire or cross section of wire at different cross section, diameter of the wires at different cross section also changes. So its diameter becomes non-uniform. So using this non-uniform diameter wire, if you do the machining, you will get the different kind of curve, different curve shape into the workpiece surface. So you will not get the same curve shape, or you will not get the uniform workpiece surface by using this already used wire. So we have to replace the wire after machining. Okay, so wire actually you have to discard the wire. So main difference is that here deionized water is used, and also nozzle is there. Okay, here I have shown the one nozzle in that schematic figure. Actually it is kept, and through that nozzle you have to pass the your direct fluid, that is a deionized water. Actually you have to flow in between the wire and the workpiece surface. Also it should be very good idea if you can make along the axis of the wire, if you can flow the direct fluid, so it will be effective flush which keeps away the debris particle which are available. Also it will be effective flush away the debris. So workpiece material, as in EDM process, here also you have to take as a electric conductive workpiece material. Okay, so the tool or the electrode are here. The tool diameter you have to take 0.05 millimeter to 0.3 millimeter diameter, which is very less diameter based on your application. If you are machining very accurate, and also if you are machining very fragile or thin or accurate, machining is required. So very fragile or fragile workpiece and very accurate work machining is required. In that case you will reduce the diameter of this wire. But if you reduce the diameter of your wire, your material removal will reduce, because your current cutting capacity of this wire will also reduce. So this may happen that this wire will frequently break if you are using higher current through this small diameter wire. So based on your application, based on your material, so you have to choose your wire diameter. Okay, now this process have certain advantages. We shall discuss all these things. So material removal also become material removal also because of this sparking occur in between this wire and in the workpiece, and very small gap, that is a 25 microns you have to maintain by using the positioning control system. So very small gap, that is a 25 micron you have to maintain. So sparking occur in between this wire and workpiece. So this material removal takes place because of this melting and vaporization of the work material will happen. That is a basic material removal action. So it is also the same concept of EDM process, and constant electrode inter-electrode gap you have to maintain by using the computer controlled position system. Okay, and that is a very important point. Okay, and also you can cut complicated counter. Any complicated counter can be cut using this wire EDM process, using this position system. So you can get higher degree of accuracy and good surface finish by using this wire EDM process. Okay, so this is about the working principle, or the first part of our today's session. Okay.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.